Hey everyone, in this video we are going to understand how to detail a sheet metal part. It's a bending part. Okay, so let's get started. First I'll take the drawing template, the default drawing template of Katia. The size will be A3. I'll take this as my front view. Please take the projected view. Okay, so we need to take the auxiliary view for this one. We'll take that later. First I'll give the overall dimensions. We make this nominal. Since the bending can't be done in with that accuracy, so that was our overall dimension. Let's start with the slots. Reference to this edge, it's 8. With reference to this edge, it is 8. And from here to here, it's 14. Here to here, it's 15. Since there are 4 radius edges, we are giving 4x. Okay, so with these dimensions, these two slots can be done. So 8, 8, 14, 15. This. Okay, slots are done. And then we'll take an auxiliary view from here. We'll give the axis of both. So with these dimensions, these two holes can be done. 15, 8, 14. Okay. These dimensions are enough for doing these holes. And now let's move to the one more important part, that is called the unbend. So how much unbend, how much the unbent plate or sheet metal he should take for manufacturing this one. So let's see how to calculate that one. Take the center mark, place one here. Okay. This is one dimension. This is one more dimension. This is the inner radius. We also mention the angle. Okay. So 48 and 138 and radius 6. The this bending this much is enough. And in this sheet metal there are two bendings are there. So for that, so here we need to calculate one more bending. For that I'll take one center point. Here one more option is there, center line with reference. I'll click that one because since this is an angle, I'll take this option and I'll select the radius and click this line. So with reference to this edge, the center mark will come. So same way we have done here, we'll do the dimensioning from here to here. We'll make it nominal. The bending angle is, we can give from the axis also, so it's 60 degree, and from here to here it's 33. So one more important thing we have forgot, the thickness of the sheet metal. So I can show it here. Okay. And the inner radius here. So now we have given the bending dimensions. So now we'll calculate the unbent length for this one. So let's come to the first view. So here the length is the first bend length is 48 and the second one is 138. So we can add these two, but the thing is, important thing is here the radius, how much length is there in this radius, that one we need to calculate. If you take the outer edge arc length, then it will be more. If you take the inner arc length, then it will be less. So we have to take the, in the middle one, middle we should take, it is the average one. Okay, so I will take the offset option, and our sheet metal thickness is 6 mm. I'll offset it for 3 mm. And then I'll take the measure and click here. and I need to see the arc length, so I go to customize. Here it's arc length. I should check this one, give OK, and our arc length is 14.137. So we'll 14.137. Okay, you can close this one and delete this one. Now we'll add these two dimensions. 48, sorry, 48 plus 138. 48 plus 138. So it's 200.137. So we will take the next nominal value, like means 201. Okay. For showing that unbend length, we'll give isometric. I'm placing the isometric view for showing the unbend length. I'll add text. Okay, I'll take the text and click here. This is 201 mm. Now we need to calculate this length as well. So same way, I will offset. I need to activate the view first. Double click it. Measure 9.425. 9.425 plus 33 plus 47. So 89.425. So the next nominal value is 90. I'll show it here. First, I'll activate this view. So this is how you calculate the unbend length. You can delete this one. This is only for our calculation. Okay. Okay. Keep it. No problem. Now we'll create a cutting template for this one. First, okay. 201. Can completely move this one. This one is 90. So then this dimension is required. 30. 30. Duplicate. Let's see. 30. Sorry. Make it a duplicate geometry. It's already duplicated. And, delete this one since we have given the dimensions in the drawing. Thickness will be 1 mm. Fix the constructed geometry. And we'll give material as miss and the thickness 6 mm. Okay. So also, instead of giving the unbent length here, since we are giving the cutting template, we can directly give the cutting dimensions there. Overall length we can give here. Okay. So that makes our cutting template. So this is how you calculate the unbent length and detail the sheet metal part. I hope this helps. That's it, guys. Thank you.